Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to design and make a YouTube channel banner using Canva for absolutely free. Right, so if you don't even have any kind of design skills or anything like that, you're going to be able to create and design a YouTube channel banner. I'm going to show you how in this tutorial, and the easiest software to use is Canva. And I think this is the method I'm going to show you is absolutely free. There are some premium Canva Pro features that can also be helpful. And if you want to try out those, I have a 30-day Canva Pro free trial in the description below. You can also check that out. But anyway, if you want to create a YouTube channel banner image, all you have to do, sign up for Canva if you haven't used Canva before. Then search for YouTube banner in this search bar here. And then select this option, and this will take us to this page where you're going to be able to browse over 2000 YouTube channel banner template. And the great thing about this is these are ready-made YouTube channel banners that you're going to be able to customize, add your own photo, change the font, change the colors, change the text on the image, and anything you want basically. So search for design that you like. So let's say I like this one, so click on that. All you have to do, then select customize template. Then all you have to do is customize this template here. So as you can see, when you hover over the elements on this canvas, you're going to be able to edit them. So I clicked on Samuel Werthorson, and let's say our name is John Smith. You can add John Smith instead of that name here. You can, of course, change the image here. So you can click on uploads here, upload your image here, and you're going to be able to add your own image here. You can also change the link here. You could even change the background here if you don't like that. You can also change the subtitle here. And once you're done, just click on share here. I'll select download here. And you're going to be able to download a PNG or JPEG image of this YouTube channel banner. And you're going to be able to upload to your YouTube channel. So this is a very easy and quick and free way to make and design YouTube channel banners using Canva. If you want to learn more about Canva, how to use these features in the editing interface here, I have a ton of tutorial on my YouTube channel and on my website that you can check out here. And of course, you can also check out the 30-day free trial for Canva Pro if you want to also access the hundreds of millions of stock photos and videos with Canva Pro.